What are flowcharts?
Limes are simple diagrams that use shapes and arrows to show how a process or problem unfolds step by step. Each shape stands for an action or decision, and the arrows guide you through choices or tasks, making complex problems easier to see and understand.
Turning problems into pictures.
The flowcharts turn confusing problems into clear pictures. By drawing each step, you can spot mistakes, notice missing parts, or discover better solutions. Seeing it laid out makes it easier to fix issues before you begin coding or working on the real thing.
No coding skills needed.
You don't need to be a programmer to use flowcharts. Anyone can make one with just a pencil and paper or basic software. They keep things simple, using basic shapes and lines, so everyone on a team can understand and discuss solutions.
Why teams love flowcharts.
Flowcharts help teams work together. By showing each step and decision, everyone gets on the same page before starting a project. This reduces confusion and helps avoid missteps, saving time and effort for everyone involved.
From ideas to action.
Flowcharts turn ideas into action plans. They help you organize thoughts, break big problems into smaller parts, and create a clear path to solving challenges. With a flowchart, you're less likely to get lost or make costly mistakes along the way.